Isaiah 60 verse 22. When the time is right, I, the Lord, will make it happen. John 13 verse 7. Jesus replied, "You do not realize now what I'm doing, but later you will understand." Psalms 2 verse 3. You're going to make it, trust me. 2 Kings 20 verse 5. I have heard your prayer. I have seen your tears. Surely I will heal you. Matthew 28:20. Remember, I always with you until the end of time. The pain that you're feeling can compare the joy that is coming.